Hello, everyone. This video is talking about how to disassemble the graphics card. Firstly, place the graphics card in the right place. Unscrew the screws on the motherboard. Then gently remove the motherboard. Secondly, still remove the small screws on the motherboard first. Use your excellent skills to remove the graphics card bezel. In the next step, unscrew the screws on the graphics card bezel with a tool. Finally, remove the bezel and you get a disassembled motherboard. I believe that you can do it better than me.